Hello there, my friends. I teach Dungeons and Dragons, and so now I've got some Dungeons and Dragons supply that just came from Amazon. Stickers for my new students, so I know what their names are. I'll wear my sticker too. There's 400 in here, and they are 2 inches by 3 inches. So I thought they'd be pretty small, but these are actually a pretty good size. So I'm happy about that. Set them up. Let's see how well they stick. Because I remember buying some at the dollar store and they were like not very sticky at all. So let's see if they stick to. Let me take out this yellow one here. Yeah, that's on there pretty good.
Yeah, it sticks pretty good.
I think we're good. So not bad. Not as good as a lint remover too.
There's a mama's girl. She's
There's
super
one.
happy. Get a walnut.
And yeah, I guess you can sort of reuse them too if you wanted to, if you keep the sheets. So that's cool. So they come in 4x4 sheets. They only come in these colors, so just in case you were interested, it's like the colors repeat. So, yep, all the same colors. This was $5.99 and it came in 2 days. So if you're in a hurry, just be aware that good. All right. And then the next video, I'll do these dice.